In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sub-bullets in Notion. If you've ever wanted to organize your notes, tasks, or ideas in a clean, layered way, sub-bullets are your best friend. They let you tuck supporting details neatly under a main point, so your page stays readable and easy to scan. The good news is that Notion makes this fast once you know the core shortcuts, and that's exactly what we'll cover here. Let's start by creating a regular bulleted list. Move your cursor to a new line, or to the beginning of any empty line, and type a dash or an asterisk followed by a space. The moment you add that space, Notion automatically converts it into a bulleted list item. If you don't see the bullet appear, make sure your cursor is at the start of the line with no extra characters in front of it. Once you see the bullet, just type your main point as you normally would. This is your parent bullet, the base for everything that follows. Now, to create a sub-bullet, place your cursor at the beginning of the line you want to indent, or start on a brand new line under the parent bullet. Press the Tab key once to indent. You'll see the text shift to the right, and Notion will create a nested bullet under the main one. That's your sub-bullet. If you need to go even deeper, press Tab again to create another level of nesting. Each press of Tab moves the bullet one level further in, letting you break down complex ideas into clear, structured layers. If you go too far or change your mind, press Shift plus Tab to outint. This moves the bullet back one level toward the left, rejoining it with the higher level content. It's perfect for quickly correcting the structure without retyping anything. This Tab and Shift plus Tab pattern is the fastest way to build, adjust, and tidy up multi-level lists in Notion. A quick tip as you work: always make sure you are on a new line or at the beginning of the line before pressing Tab. That tells Notion you want to change the bullet's level, not just insert a tab character in the middle of your text. And remember, typing a dash or asterisk followed by a space is all you need to start a fresh bullet anytime. With these simple moves, you can build clear outlines, detailed notes, and tidy checklists in seconds. Thanks for watching.